The Goodnotes app has a lot of templates that you can use straight away. To access those templates and to review them, click the gear button on the top right side of this screen and go to Notebook Templates. And here you have a lot of the templates available. You can find the one you like most and start using it straight away. You might think that these are not enough to fit your daily schedule, so you would be tempted to create your own notebook, your own custom template. To do so, the fastest way is to draw your template inside Goodnotes. And I'm going to show you a quick way to do it. Let's open the demo notebook we have created previously. Add a new page, but this time I will try to use a dots page because it will allow me to draw faster. So I'm going to go to templates and dotted page, apply, and the new page will be inserted. This page will be used to create my own template. To start drawing lines, I will select this icon with a rectangle, circle and a triangle and start drawing. Then export this page as a PDF. I will not include the page background because I don't want to see the dots, and then export. I will save it to my files in iPad, save. It's easier to save it there, but I can also save it to Dropbox. And now let's go back to templates. And in my template section, I will click import from files. And I'm already on my iPad downloads. And this is my new template, demo notebook, done. And now let's create a notebook exactly with that template. New notebook. Let's keep the cover and inside page, template, create. This is a new notebook with my own template, and if I want to create a new page, I just drag to the center and then release, and the new template will duplicate as needed.